ngithi ngizwile ukuthi mangithi abanye asibangi lutho nawo sibanga inkulumo zayizolo zabo zokuthi anyeke siye indawo mase sikunye indawo sengicela abagunya amagama abo angithi ayibona like yeah and ngizocela like anything ngizoyicela bafethu uNkulunkulu khona mfethu yethu la kuda ngedoda asicine edolweni hlane nemthandazweni because silwa nabantu singazi yethu like yiyo bayawazi like yiyo ama word of the day wami like ukuthi manje asim word of the month makama ngibeka ngizothi yazi into yanamhlanje ithi khona abantu abalindi ukuthi sihluleka nini yethu so kuyo yonke into esiyenzayo ungayiki mfethu ungavuma inkulumo zabantu like zikuyisa umoya angithi uyazazi ukuthi lento uyiqalelini mina ngihlezi ngikhuthazwa nabo phanda bayazi ukuthi mfethu wabheke lawo magwinya wabheke lawo makhekhe kesha or no kesha mfethu umsebenzi sidongikwazi ukufaka something endlini khona abantu abahola abahleli abangakwazi ukondla endlini so nje like yethu uyayithola imali out of nowhere but ugreel but so kuxolela ngoba usaqala ukuyithola usayi-enjoy ayithola but mas sokhula ngithi asipheleli kanjalo so 5 years to come when lokudlana nemali phuzana nemali ujabulisa abangani ujabulisa abantu uzobuva